What's happening, guys? Welcome back to yet another episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment. Today, we're going to be showing you our chicken tractor I finally finished building. So, without any further ado, we're going to go ahead and show you that. All right. So, this is our new and improved chicken tractor. What we do is we actually have three pieces of tin on that one side and two on this side, enough for air circulation and things of that nature. No, we did not put a nesting box, but we do not plan on leaving chickens in here that long. These are going to be specifically for the chickens that are our roosters as they're growing out, that we can't put with our flock, to limit fighting and things like that. This bad boy is actually going to be a 4 foot by 8 foot, so 4 foot wide by 8 foot long. And as you can see, I mean, it is pretty tall. I'm about 5'10, 5'11. So I'd say it's probably close to that 4.5, 5 foot mark, give or take. We were able to add some skids on it. I don't know if I can get you guys a good picture down here. Let's see. I don't know if y'all can see the skids that I added down here, and it's basically some PVC. Um, and that way, whenever we pull up on the handle, it's nice and easy. Our handle is actually just a little bit of wire. So y'all can see this, a little bit of wire with some tubing on it, so it doesn't hurt our hands. You know, it's kind of a little bulky, but a lot of that has to do with like the tin and stuff like that. And then for our doors, I just went with a solid door, but enough crevice to allow like a breeze. And again, we took most of these hinges and stuff from our old coop whenever we broke it down. And this is also, I think this is classified as a predator proof um, clip here, even though there is no wire on the bottom. We don't know exactly how well it's going to hold up longevity, so we're going to keep all you guys updated on stuff like that. But as y'all know, we have the garden, which eventually we can do some of our grow outs in, that's actually caged in, and we also have our coop. Let's see, let's get over here, which is really, really large. We do want a couple more hens, and we are working on breeding right now, but as you can see, I mean, we can fit 20, 30 chickens comfortably, and our actual flock that we want to hold on to, we don't want it over 10 chickens. So I mean, that means that if we hatch and we end up with 9 females, there's only going to be one rooster in our chicken tractor, enough to kind of mow the grass in this back area, fertilize and everything. And like I said, just keep the younger roosters away from our rooster Fred that we use for breeding, because we want to keep him as non-aggressive as possible. um, so that's pretty much it, I guess. In terms of updates, I don't know if I've shown you guys yet, but we actually mulched this stuff in here. And I also got a hold of some Crawford lettuce seeds that I just scattered. We're going to see how that does. Um, and we're also working on our aquatic stuff, so like our aquacultures and things like that. Right now, it's the city like trash dump, so everyone throws their trash at the side of the road, and they do the bulk pickup. Well, we ended up with an IBC tote for free. There are some downfalls, so like it's not caged, but it's free. So even if I have to chop this bad boy in half later on, I mean, we'll see. It looks pretty sturdy, to be honest. And I know it was used for potable water, because you never know what the chemicals are. But there is a sign. I can barely see it, but basically it's the trail riders used it, and it's missing the cap on top here. Um, oh, sorry guys, I'm on a different device today, so I'm having a hard time. But it's missing the cap, and it's also missing this outlet down here. So we're gonna try and get that fixed. But outside of that, it's a free IBC tote. With that, we've also set up one of our smaller barrels here with water, letting it dechlorinate naturally and get mosquitoes, local life. So that way it kind of jumpstart whenever we add some of the smaller fish. And we also have one of our other barrels set up. We got this here. Um, basically on the dump as well. And what it's going to be used for is growing duckweed. Duckweed is a great source for chicken feed, fish feed, rabbit feed, and I believe you can dry it for the rabbit feed and then use like a cleaner environment and dry it for human feed. So like we can use it supplementally as well. Um, it's pretty high in fiber and it's a nice little shot of protein. Nice background. Think kelp, seaweed, stuff like that. Um, so that's pretty much where we are right now. We did get a hold of some newer stuff, which we'll be posting videos on later. Uh, I got a hold of some dragon fruit cuttings, some different types. So we're going to be checking those out, seeing how they grow. I'm learning as we go, so like that's why I'll update y'all guys as we go. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, again, like, subscribe, drop a comment. Peace. Be kind out there. Bye, guys.